those are pretty bright.
It was.
Kitty's scared.
Oh.
Been doing this since about 7 o'clock tonight.
Yeah, it's been going on for a while.
It's 9:30 now.
Oh.
2 hours.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be a long night.
Probably.
Be careful, right?
I'll be careful out here.
Is it forked though?
I don't know, I can't really tell. It could be.
Well, it looked like that last one was. Just be careful.
Probably.
If it gets really bad, get in.
Yes, I'll go inside.
Thank you.
That was ever intense, like thunder. There it goes again. So this is going to turn out to be an epic storm here if it keeps up like this for this area. We usually don't get storms like this. It's kind of a rarity for Vancouver. That was certainly a bright flash. So it's starting to rain and hail again. There goes some thunder. Followed by more lightning there. It's getting loud again. More lightning. Let's wait for the thunder and see how loud it gets this time. More lightning again, though. It's a pretty bright one this time. Looks like the intensity of the rain and hail is picking up again. Let's see how much thunder and lightning we get this time. This is really deafening out here now. There goes some more thunder again. Gonna wait for the lightning to start. We'll see if we get any fork lightning this time. More lightning again. That was ever a bright one right there. That was quite the rumble of thunder right there. Certainly went on for a long time. More lightning again, just lit up the sky. That was ever a bright one right there. There goes some faint lightning again. Like a double flash of lightning just happened. More lightning again. No thunder yet. Now there goes the thunder.
Still been more?
Yeah, it's still going.
Was it 4 times?
No, I haven't seen any yet.
I know this rumble was pretty loud.
Yeah, it's quite loud out here.
Raining again, huh?
Yeah, it's still raining.
It's been almost 3. It's 10 almost and it's still storming.
Oh.
First of all, it's one of the bad storms I guess of the year.
Yeah, first one.
Those 2 rumbles were loud as an inch. Holy crap.
They were.
He actually let me pick him up today.
Oh.
And usually I never got to hold him.
I guess that's surprising. Still going. It's probably going to go on what? No, it's probably going to go on most of the night.
That's what they say.
Yeah, I'll be careful out here.
Did you get enough to eat?
Yeah, I had a big bowl of dinner.
There's corn too, you know.
I'll maybe have some later on.
It's in the fridge.
Yeah, alright. Well, that was a bright one that came out of nowhere. There's another one.